Hi, Jaden. Are you making soup? Can you stir your soup? Where's your spoon? Where's the spoon? There it is. Can you stir it? Can you open your pot? Yeah, stir it. Stir your soup. Is it yummy? Can you stir it? Put a spoon and stir the soup. Good job. Can you taste it? Can you taste it? Mmm. Can you taste your soup? Mmm. Yummy. Are you gonna cook the pumpkin too? Your pot's getting away, Jaden. Yummy. What's cooking? Soup? Yes? Is it soup? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See you later.